How to use Life 360 application. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for Life 360. Now install the application. Now tap on open. Now tap on get started. Now enter your phone number and tap on continue. Now enter your name and tap on continue. Now add your email and tap on continue again. Now enter your password and tap on continue. Again tap on continue. You can either join a circle from invitation code or create a new circle tapping on create a new circle. Now tap on continue. Now share this code with your family to connect with yourselves. Now tap on I am done sharing. Now select your role. Tap on skip. Now enable every options. Give permissions. Now go back. Tap on allow. Now enable notifications. Again enable the Bluetooth and tap on continue. Again tap on continue. Now save your location as home. Tap on maybe later. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.